What's the meaning of assorted? Assorted. Assorted.
Assorted. Assorted. The term assorted refers to a collection of different things. It implies that the items are varied and diverse, possibly of different types, sizes, colors, or flavors. An assorted result could mean that the outcome is a mixture of various elements that may not necessarily be related to each other. For example, if someone orders an assorted box of chocolates, they can expect to receive a range of flavors and textures, rather than just one kind. In general, being assorted denotes a lack of homogeneity in the group of items or in the outcome.